Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Hello guys, Namaskar. This is Navamita and you are watching YouTube channel Navamita Unleashed. So please, those who have not subscribed my channel yet, it's the right time to subscribe, share and like my channel as much as possible, and also please hit the bell icon, okay, so that you get the notifications of all my videos. So today I am present here to discuss about a topic, how to become a winner. Now, this is a very psychological kind of question, that what is the meaning of being a winner? Do you want to become a winner and win a trophy and go back home and enjoy for a temporary period of time? Or do you want to be a winner permanently? So you can become a winner permanently only if you support a psychological winning. अब देखिए, जब हम कोई भी कंपटीशन में जाते हैं तो हमें ये चीज़ रियलाइज करनी पड़ती है कि कंपटीशन में हर पार्टिसिपेंट अपनी तैयारी करके आता है. तो आप भी गए हो, you are also preparing yourself for that competition and you do a lot of preparation, and the next morning or evening when the competition is being held, you go and present yourself. Now, if you have prepared a preconceived notion or mindset inside you that I win to win the competition, I want to win the competition anyhow, and I want to get the prize or the trophy that will be given afterwards, then I can say you that your winning is actually a big loss for you, because you are getting yourself, making yourself limited, so much limited that you want to just grab that prize that will be declared later on. One has to always understand that I am an infinite soul. My process, my potential, my acumen is infinite. It cannot be turned into a limitation by a mere competition. So what if I don't get the trophy? So what if I don't get the acknowledgement from people? What I did in the competition has to be actually measured from your last competition, that how much you have improved from your last time, how much you have given yourself from your last time. Have you broken the record of your limitation that was set, or still you're going with the trend of your limitation? So once you know that you don't have any limitation and you keep on breaking your limitation in every possible ways, in every situation in your life, you become a true winner. And that is called a psychological winner. You don't need to get any acknowledgement. You don't have to vie for any acknowledgement, because acknowledgements will actually flow once you start believing in your own potential, that I can do this in the best possible way which no one else can do. So, आपको ये समझना होगा कि अपने बच्चों को भी जब हम भेजते हैं तो हम उन्हें कहते हैं कि जाओ जाके जीत के आओ, वो प्राइज हमें चाहिए. नहीं, टेल योर चाइल्ड ऑल्सो कि यू आर गोइंग देयर एंड यू आर परफॉर्मिंग. That's actually telling you or making you realize that how much potential you carry inside you to perform. Now you set a boundary for yourself that in this competition I cannot perform more than this much. It means it has given you that limitation and you have compartmentalized yourself into that. Now you have to break the cocoon of that limitation. In the next competition, people will actually get amazed to see that this person, this kid who performed last time, had completely shown a different angle of performing this time. So every time you have to keep on surprising people and yourself as well. And that can be done the day you recognize that you are a psychological winner. With your full confidence, with your full belief, you have to go on achieving so that in your life as a whole, you become a permanent winner. So I hope my message was very clear to you. And my dear friends, keep on watching my videos. Today, whatever I am discussing with you, and in my previous videos also, whatever I have told, is because I have realized those things in my life. I am sitting in front of you, and I have not done any preparation. I just am talking my heart out. The things I have realized in my life, the things I have performed, and one by one, with the failures that I have faced in my life, I have come to this conclusion that yes, I need to be a psychological winner. I don't have to worry about the result that will follow later on. I just have to keep my performance limitless. No boundaries will be set for me. And this is what I have learned in my life. And I hope you will also learn it soon. So keep on watching my videos and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Bye-bye.